Hi there, I hope you've had a great weekend. I'm actually about to go out. I mean, not about to, I will be going out shortly. I have to do my hair actually. I've only washed it and I haven't styled it yet, waiting for it to air dry. I don't use the blow dryer anymore, blow fryer more like. So it's in very natural frizzy state. So today I have something very exciting to tell you about. It is the Space NK gift with purchase autumn. The best gifts with purchase come out in autumn, and Space NK does one every year. They do a holiday gift with purchase as well, which is coming, I think, late October, early November or so. Last year it was crackers, so it was, like getting a whole advent calendar free because 24 products. For this autumn gift with purchase, though, you get 27 products free with purchase from their website for £175. The gift ships worldwide from September 3rd, only until stocks last. Now, this gift is titled The Expert's Edit, and it is worth more than £280, and it contains products which are selected by Space NK's long-serving employees. Now, I've seen a couple of other gifts with purchase this autumn so far, and for me, this is the most exciting one. It is very skincare centric, as most Space NK gifts with purchase are bound to be. But, it is what you might call your big pans skincare. The brands chosen, the products chosen are some of them rather recent launches, some of them that we haven't seen before. That is something that I like. So let me just tell you what they are. I'm sorry, I don't have the gift to show you. First of all, it launches only on September 3rd. Secondly, this blog, this channel is very, very tiny and insignificant. I very rarely get PR samples, so I don't have the gift to show you. This is what the whole thing looks like. 27 products in there. Yours when you purchase for more than £175. The total worth is supposed to be more than £280. So off we go. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser. Sisley Black Rose Precious Face Oil, a product that I'm dying to try out. Oribe Gold Lust Transformative Mask. I'm glad it is not the featherweight styler. I'm glad it is a mask. I haven't tried Oribe masks before. Natura Bisse Diamond Cocoon Sheer Eye. I think we've seen the Diamond Extreme Eye in previous Space NK gifts with purchases. I don't think we've seen the Sheer Eye. Sarah Chapman Skinesis Morning Facial, iconic product, supposed to be Meghan Markle's go-to. Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. We've seen this one before though. Eve Long, no, calm down, it is not the cleansing balm. It is the Time Retreat Radiant Essence. I am so happy that they're including this and not that Eve Long cleanser. I think fans of beauty boxes, advent calendars and gift with purchase must have more than a dozen Eve Long cleansing balms at least. So I'm glad that this is the Radiance Essence. We haven't seen this product before in GWPs or in advent calendars or beauty boxes. Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Cell Repair Night Oil. I haven't tried their oils before. I've tried their beautiful Miracle Cleanser. Ren Keep Young and Beautiful Instant Firming Beauty Shot. We've seen this one before. Ven Effect Lip Treatment came in the Christmas crackers last year from Space NK, and it healed my battered lips very, very quickly. So I'm happy to get this one. Erborian CC Dull Correct. I haven't tried this before. I've heard very good things about Erborian CC creams. I hope the shade is a good match for me. Patchology Mood Patch Happy Place Eye Gels. Under eye gels are my jam. I use them in order to hydrate my very dry under eye area. I hardly ever sleep, so always happy to get this. Chantecaille Faux Cils Mascara. We've seen this one before. NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment. American Woman. A very, very neutral, wearable, everyday color. This is possibly the most exciting makeup product in this gift with purchase for me. Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer SPF 15. This, according to my acne guru Emmy Diane, is one of the 2 face primers that do not cause breakouts, that are entirely acne safe. So I have the full size already. I'm happy to get a mini for traveling. Omorovicza, no, not the mist. Omorovicza Rejuvenating Night Cream. I do wish it had been the Balancing Moisturizer, which I really like, but I haven't tried the night cream, so let's see what that's like. Malin and Goetz Hair Essentials Duo. That's probably a conditioner and a shampoo, so I'm glad they're including both in there. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. We've seen this before in a number of beauty boxes, advent calendars, and GWPs. Is supposed to be very, very hydrating for dry and damaged hair. Last word in dry and damaged hair. I wouldn't mind getting another one. Philip B. Peppermint and Avocado Volumizing and Clarifying Shampoo. Just the shampoo, not the conditioner. Not very happy about that. When I get a shampoo, I want the matching conditioner as well. That's how you test out a range, not by just trying the shampoo. IGK First Class Dry Shampoo. Now, for international customers, this product is replaced by the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So remember that because the dry shampoo is an aerosol product which they cannot ship worldwide. So international customers will be getting the hydrating hair balm. GOODY Vino Pure Purifying Gel Cleanser. I'm very excited about this because the Vino Pure range is intended to tackle blemish-prone skin. So last year they sent out the Vino Pure Toner, and I already have the serum, so this will make a great addition to that range. Glam Glow Super Toner, possibly one of the products that doesn't really excite me from this, because Glam Glow skincare doesn't really appeal to me. The Youth Mud Tingle Exfoliating Mask was nice when it came out, but then there were all those glittery masks and things. Not a fan of those. Revive Vitality Energizing Hydrating Mist. What is a gift with purchase or skincare curation without a mist? Huge fan of hydrating mist. Possibly one of the most exciting products in this box, skincare products. Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Dying to try this one out. Goldfaden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. I'm glad it wasn't those eye creams, because Goldfaden MD's eye creams have come out in a number of beauty boxes and GWPs recently. So glad that this is a daily moisturizer. New Face Prep and Glow Cleansing and Exfoliating Cloths. Lastly, Dr. Dennis Gross Professional Grade Resurfacing Liquid Peel. There seem to be 2 little bottles in this one. I've tried the Alpha Beta pads, the peel pads, the extra strength version and the regular version, but I haven't tried the liquid peel before. Looking forward to that. So those are the products in this gift with purchase. I think this is overall a very nice curation. I'm glad they've left out regular repeats such as the Blonde Cleansing Balm, which unfortunately features in Space and Case Advent Calendar, believe it or not. The Chantecaille Mascara is a regular feature in a number of GWPs and beauty boxes and advent calendars from the time it launched. But you can never have too many mini mascaras, and I only use mini mascaras now. I don't buy full sizes because anyway you've got to chuck them in 3 months' time, so might as well use minis. So give me all the mini mascaras, not complaining here. So very quickly, what to buy. I am buying the New Face Line Smoothing Device. I am a huge fan of the New Face Mini. I've been using it for about a year. And I think not about a year, sorry. I only got it on Boxing Day last year from Look Fantastic. So there was a huge deal there. And I got it, I think, for about 100 quid. £50 saving there. So it's very, 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 very good at, I feel, blurring very lightly, very slowly, my pitted acne scars. I don't know if you watch videos from about a year ago. I think there's a huge difference here. So I'm a huge fan of that. This is actually the miniest of devices, as it were, the smallest, the basic one. And it is for hard to reach areas such as here. I've got a scar here and a scar here. This is a pitted acne scar. This one came from standing too close to some kid in kindergarten who was sharpening a pencil with a penknife. Nice. Also, the under eye area where you have lines or, around the mouth. For those areas, this device is very good. It is made for those areas. So I look forward to owning that one and to trying it out. Another suggestion, because that's not enough for this gift with purchase, is Space NK travel bag for £24 if you're a frequent traveler. I highly recommend this bag. It's absolutely awesome. The recent Kevin Akor Foundation Balm, £42. I read a couple of reviews of this and I've been wanting to try this one out. This seems to be the year of very good foundations. There seem to be quite a few foundation launches this year. Eve Lom Calm Down Cleansing Oil Capsules. Very innovative. Look at that. These are cleansing oils in capsule form. So, all you do, pick up one capsule, tear it open, remove your makeup, and that's it. There's a lot of wastage of product when it comes to whole cleansing oils and cleansing balms in pots. I don't like using because you have to dip your fingers in there over and over and over, particularly if your fingers are wet or damp. Sisley Le Phyto Rouge is a beautiful lipstick which came out before a similarly packaged lipstick came out. I don't know, the packaging of those two, you know what I'm talking about, right? Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips too. The packaging is very similar, and Sisley came out first. Awkward. Also, a product that I've discovered recently and I've been raving about to everybody, Dr. Dennis Cross Professional Grade IPL Dark Spot Concentrated Serum. I got a mini in a gift with purchase out with Calendar Beauty box sometime. Can't remember. I think it was Space and Case GWP itself. £99 this one, the full size. I will be buying the full size once I run out. And I hope to be combining that with their holiday gift with purchase, the Christmas crackers maybe, because it contains ascorbic acid, lactic acid, a number of great acids, not glycolic though, and it really helps. You can see that there's very little hyperpigmentation here now. It's helped with that breakout that I had here owing to steroids, and you know, the hyperpigmentation is almost gone now thanks to this product. So that's one that I highly recommend buying if you're looking for this gift with purchase. All of these I will link in the description box below, along with where to buy this gift with purchase. Ships worldwide, yours free with purchase of £175 from Space and Case UK website. They ship worldwide. So are you planning to get this gift with purchase? Is this when you haul, or do you haul regardless of GWPs? Are you a GWP addict? I usually haul only when there's a gift with purchase. That's when I do the bulk of my skincare buying, my regular items buying, so that you get something that's a little extra in there. If you are planning to buy this, I would love to know what you're going to buy. Do tell me in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.